Welcome back to the channel. In today's market breakdown, we'll be covering for major assets, gold, euro-dollar, pound-dollar, and the NASDAQ, all on the 1-hour chart, with the daily time frame as our higher time frame bias. Let's dive right in. First up, XAUUSD on the 1H chart. On the right, the daily candles give us the bias, printing in premium, which keeps me interested in shorts. We first saw price sweep buy-side liquidity, and then confirm the order flow shift. With a bearish CISD after confirmation, price retraced into the 4H bearish fair value gap, which provided the cleanest entry with tight risk from there. We saw delivery toward the 4H bullish FVG sitting below, fully aligned with the higher timeframe narrative. The key takeaway here: wait for the liquidity grab confirm with CISD, and strike on the FVG retrace. Next up, EURUSD on the 1H chart. Using the 1D for bias, price was trading in premium, so I favored shorts. We got a clear buy-side liquidity sweep, followed by a bearish CISD that flipped the flow. Price then retraced neatly into stacked for H bearish FVGs, which became our execution zone. Delivery played out into the 4H bullish order block below. Fully respecting the daily bearish narrative, this one shows the model clearly. Premium levels, liquidity sweep, CISD confirmation, retrace to supply, and delivery down to demand. Moving on to GBPUSD on the 1H chart, the daily time frame bias had price sitting in premium, again pointing to shorts. We first saw a buy-side sweep, then a bearish CISD confirmed the downside shift. Retracement into consecutive for H bearish FVGs gave the best entries with controlled stops. The move delivered down into lower liquidity pockets, perfectly consistent with the higher timeframe view. This was a textbook sweep hand retrace short setup, showcasing how stacked FVGs can sharpen precision. Finally, let's look at NASDAQ on the 1H chart. The 1D bias was bearish from premium levels, again setting up shorts. Price swept buy-side liquidity, then printed a bearish CISD to confirm the shift. After that, price retraced into the 4H bearish FVG, creating the optimal short entry from there. Delivery extended lower toward the 4H bullish order block, respecting the daily narrative. Once again, the framework held perfectly. Sweep liquidity, confirm with CISD, execute on the FVG retrace, and deliver to opposite liquidity. Across all four markets today, the process was identical. Liquidity sweep gives CISD confirmation, gives retrace to OB, or FVG gives delivery to the opposite side. This consistency is the power of the model. It works across pairs, commodities, and indices when applied with patience and discipline. If you enjoyed this video and want more price action breakdowns, make sure to hit the like button. See you next time.